There are a couple different ways to search the PBS Teachers website. The first way is to use the grade bands at the top of the screen. So just say I'm looking for something for high school, 9 through 12 math. It will show me how many of the classroom resources there are. This is how many pages. So there's 36 pages of classroom resources. So you probably want to narrow them down. You can filter them by topic. So let's look at the 9 through 12 topics. Just say I'm looking for something on functions and algebra. I click and notice I'm now down to 16 pages. Just let me show you a little something about the entry. Over here on the left side, it tells you what media type it is. This is a lesson plan. This is an offline activity. More offline activities. So I can go to media type and just say maybe I'm looking for some kind of interactive online activity about functions and algebra. I can give a click and it narrows it down to 2 pages. And notice all the choices of media type on the left side are now interactives. You can read a little bit about what this interactive does. It tells you the tags. Once again, we're talking about tags that you can use like you use in Delicious. It's the grade bands, it's math, it's functions and algebra, it's geometry and spatial sense. If you want to read a little bit more, you can click on details and it tells you a little bit more. If you get to this page, you can click on view resource. Or if you don't click on details, how you get to the resource is just by clicking on the link. Like I said in the previous slide, you can create an account and save this resource to your PBS account, but I'm more a fan of saving it on your Delicious page so you have all your resources in one place. Remember, as you're working through, save to Delicious so you can build your resource library. And don't forget to tag. So if I want to go check out Hunting the Hidden Dimension, Design a Fractal, I give a click and then it will take me to the website. Notice up here we are still in pbs.org. Like I said, unlike the gateway that goes out to the web, other websites, and Thinkfinity that goes to its different content partners, the PBS resources are within PBS. And you can scroll down and check it out to see if it's something worth saving to your Delicious account. If you want to go back to PBS Teachers, just find the PBS Teachers icon anywhere. It's usually in the upper left corner, and give a click and it will take you back to the PBS page where you can either search through the grade bands or come up here and do an advanced search. One more thing I want to show you that might be helpful. You can click on discussions, and depending on the topic, sometimes there are discussions that people have brought up when they're asking questions about different things about the topic. So sometimes this can be a good resource, like this person is looking for information about interactive fraction websites. In order to participate in discussions, you have to have a PBS Teachers account. It is free and you can set it up. So if participating in discussions and finding resources through discussions is something you're interested in, create yourself an account. The other way to search is using the advanced search. Here's where you can put in a keyword. You can pick what resource type you want. You can pick what subjects and grades, and you can pick what grade band. So just say I'm looking up ecology, and I would like lesson plans on ecology having to do with science for 3rd through 5th grade. Then I just have to click on search, and there are 49 resources. Notice when you do the advanced search, it tells you how many resources, not just how many pages. You can also refine your searches by using the filters in the right-hand column. So if 49 resources is not what you want to go through, you can scroll down and you can take a peek and see, well, look what here. There's 49 lesson plans. Maybe you're looking for an interactive. There's only 17 of them. Or an offline activity. There's 21 of them. In refining your search, maybe you want something that has to do with science and technology and social studies. Let's see what it comes up with. Well, still 49 resources, so it's kind of hit or miss. Once again, if it's a lesson plan, all you have to do is click on the link and it will take you to this lesson plan. And once again, we're just in pbs.org. So it's a really good website. It's got a lot of resources and a lot of different ways to search.